first pee break of what I'm sure will be many for today. Let's count. This is one.
Look at that sunrise.
Arizona. I always pictured Arizona to be more like Nevada, not like that. I always thought that there would be more cacti and stuff. These big bushes. What you eating there, girl?
Blackberry.
Looks good. Not bold. It's juicy. We made it to where are we now? The visitor center, the Grand Canyon. Oh my god, Arizona's cold. I always thought it was hotter than Nevada here, but it's colder than Edmonton right now. But I guess that's what you get when you're at a high elevation. Oh my god.
So you really don't want to hike alone?
That is terrifying as heck.
How many?
Okay, as you can see, we're first in line.
These animals.
They must know where some watering
But Mom's feeding Papa John for nowhere to be seen because they're in that bus over there. So, see you later, Mommy's feeding Papa John. Oh, reunited at Hopi Point.
Hopi Point. What's that other first one we stopped?
I don't know. I think it was just like a transfer. I'm not sure. Wow,
Laila.
how awful.
You're too slow.
Okay. Look how fake and lame this all looks. Honestly, could not get more any artificial. Synthetic. Oh my god, this is too scary.
The government made it up.
This is all fake.
Yes.
What the heck? It's only third battery now? Yeah, not gonna step over there.
Huwag na kayo masyadong magpakakuha sa dito.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Oh, selfie na lang, selfie na lang.
Oh my god, okay.
Yeah.
Yo, I never have any pics.
Alay.
I'm gonna take one of me right now.
Our original plan was to go all the way to Hermit's Rest and then take the bus all the way back into the village. But the bus into the village only stops 4 times, so we have to like get off the stops as we go to Hermit's Rest, if you know what I'm saying, because the bus stops at every stop. But yeah, so now we're just walking to the next viewpoint. We just came from Hopi Point and now we're going to Mojave Point because it's only a mile walk. So yeah, there you go.
Oh my god, you did not just see me taking a photo with an iPad. You didn't see that. So that's where we came from, over there. Very tight, very high.
Are you getting tired?
The video. Okay, wait, no. Here's a view from where we are now. Look how close I am to the ledge. Overcoming fears. I don't think anything will ever beat the fresh water from the Banff glaciers. Do you remember that? It was so tasty. Like wow, the freshest water I've ever drank. Drink it, let's see. How's it taste?
It's good.
Is it cold?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, honey.
It's cold.
Okay, that was like way better. It's like lukewarm.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Look at these flowers. Oh my god, it even smells nice. I'd have this in my wedding bouquet. Right, we're here at Hermit's Point now. We're gonna use this thing.
Guess what I got for our turkey fries later?
Y'all, we smuggled some ketchup. Just like this. Let's see. No, never mind. Look at that. We're just outside the Grand Canyon now. We finished just in time.
Look at it.
Yes.
Look at
Yeah, and look what we're just having lunch in the car.
It's raining.
Yeah. So I think we're just gonna go to the Hoover Dam now. I could honestly do without. It's gonna be another
We cannot go
4
to
hours
the
about.
I like
Yeah.
maybe something.
Alright, see you guys when we're there.
This is Papa Joff's 6th potty break of the day.
Not only 6.
6 or 7, I don't know. I forgot. And across the road there is Flintstone's Bedrock City. But we're not gonna go. Because we still have to go to the Hoover Dam, so... We're about to go onto historic US Route 66. See if there's any of their ghost towns there.
Mayroon bang ano dun?
Ito, ayan. Sa'yo.
Ayan o.
Ito yung mga ulo sa ayan. Yung kwan ng pulis, oh.
Para sa pelikula yan o.
Oo. Siguro noon talagang walang-wala tapos medyo dahan-dahan na naman nag-revive.
Currently at Wallapai Market in Peach Springs, Arizona. Isn't that an adorable name? Like a very refreshing iced tea. Peach Springs.
Wait, I'm just taking
They look like boys.
What if your skin was like that?
Kate, did you take it? You know what's a great spread on a nice breakfast sandwich? Peanut butter. Love peanut butter. Peanut butter is the food of this week. Peanut butter sandwich. Who needs jelly when you've got peanut butter? Peanut butter sandwich. No jelly needed. It's a great shot of the peanut butter sandwich on the road. Right. It is almost 7 p.m. and we're almost at the Hoover Dam. Looks nice. Hopefully we get there before the sun sets. But it's kind of nice because it's the golden hour. Dam part.
Oh.
Where's all the water? I don't get it.
It's on the side.
Okay, kayo. Yan mo lang.
Oh.
Yan.
You guys, I was confused about what this dam was for because I thought dams generated power because the last dam I went to, that's what it did. And I guess this one still does. Yeah, I'm not sure. We have no information here, but look at that.
This is the reservoir.
Can you imagine
the
that?
water.
Can you imagine that?
Arizona time.
People built this. You know?
Yeah, maganda dyan.
As much as nature, God's work, if you will.
Still.
As much as like the natural beauties of the world amaze me.
Ako din.
Like, you know, man-made structures are pretty cool too. It's like, whoa, they made that. People did that, you know? What?
When did they spill?
The last time water spilled over the dam was in 1980.
Why did it spill?
Over.
Yeah. The
Oversupply.
river got too high. Or the lake, I should say.
I had to take like a science course to understand how this all works. Wow. Holy. Just appears in the back.
Hello. Hi, Lai. How are you today?
Does it echo?
Did you have fun hearing the echo?
Let's go. We're just barely about to see the bridge. Ooh, look at that sky. Is there like a name for this bridge? There probably is, and I look foolish. Welcome to Nevada. That's it. Michael Callahan, Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge.
No doubt about it.
Oh, I can do without heights for a while, I think. The sunsets here so slow. I thought we would not have enough time to check out everything, but here we are from way over there to here now with the sun still up. Look at oh, there's so many bugs. It's gross. Look at that though. I will not get bitten. Right, made it just in time. We're probably gonna head out now. And I'll probably end the vlog right here as well. So, all right, okay. But we might come back here, we might not. We're not sure yet, but thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the Grand Canyon and the Hoover Dam. Look at that little peak of sunset. Gorgeous.
This goes.
Wait.
That's it.
Can't forget about these hefts. I'm just gonna...
Hey girl. Hello.
Get it, girl. And just so you guys know, I was down here first. Alright, got it. Very nice. Sunset, city lights. Okay, good night for real this time, y'all. See you tomorrow.